Nnamdi Kanu, me, I go buy am. My Nnamdi, make I die. Tell your brother, I'm not supposed to say this, but tell your brother, I said, I wrote the drone program of the Nigerian military. Ask anybody.
Ekenekwa m unu Igbo ndị mmadụ ege m ntị ebe nọ nene masị m udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị biko na m ụrụ mana kemgbe 1 week na nwebara onye fugoro iru mma na ọ na-ewe n'iwe ihe mee na ihe bakwutere ihe karịrị nte bakwutere nte n'ọnụ nte wee sị ka m dekere jezu ike unlike me unu nwa na agbara saga last week agba saga but unlike me onwere onye fụrụ m onwere onye nụrụ okwu ọnụ m. But I so much thank God by the time my strength we reply and Naboko anyona. So you come here when I can mad nina the batana dioku. And this also shows the level of thinking so many people. I came back, I was just seeing comments, I was reading, I was paying attention. Man then chena ha when he had a brain. So how we he take you go side without asking much question. And then I'm some things regarding some people are not supporting our social media. Man, they feel I need disgrace Governor Ezeoku. Man, they feel no Gechi is saying the truth. Man, they feel that Governor Ezeoku is saying the truth. One thing I'm naturally cool at this thing is that now one, I've not been physically fit. Number one, that's number one. Because unlike me, Man, I want to naturality or no, and secondly, naturality or no, this case again, boom. If you feel that you are loyal and you like somebody, there are some certain things you need to learn on them. Ibahanketen, I said to Lua, because now again, me, oh, what am I here for the nakedness of the father? Na kovia or the na Bible. But man, we won't care much along, much uncle. Naked bone is some of the children and then came Mali heavy about uchiya. So most times someone here from a social media space a banquet. You may think that because they like Kelonya, because of Nonya is speaking intellectually, Nonya ma we hold you. Somebody ma the dirty side of that person, something we the person may feel that the person may he feel like really disappointed. Yeah, see how Amaro Nonya do na that is the number one thing mother. Human beings are bound, it's in their nature to disappoint. Nobody is perfect, but it is in their nature to disappoint. And three, onwero onye na no n'ụwa na nwere ebe ọ gbara ọlụ. Onwere onye na nwere n'ụwa na nwere weakness. Ogechi nwe weakness nke ya, Governor Ezeoku nwe weakness nke ya. Na otago. Governor Ezeoku in his own part nwe weakness ya. But what makes you a loyal friend? What makes you loyal to somebody in the sense that you learn when to shut up your mouth. You learn when to just keep quiet and listen. You learn to understand that only again and only like a human being. So when you cannot even correct him, you cannot say anything to him. Happen didn't know why where the level of correcting that person. You just say na like you get na again no get you made right. You like the Governor Ezeoku, you no made right. Governor Ezeoku in his own part say again when money need to say na if you cannot come to me, call my attention to when they wrong on when majorly him. You are not following me. You are not a good person. So, but due to my own level of understanding, I will not talk to him direct. I know who to call, who to talk to, who to send message to that will call his attention. I don't know Ogechi. I don't know who Ogechi is loyal to. Thirdly, in life, just only being a follow, malo only the loyal to. Malo only I have saga no matter what. On a J Park no. One person that he cannot saga but Akozayon, he can never in this life saga Akozayon. You can on camera and talk to Governor Ezeoku because now Magohana Buma level Hana Bibia. But he cannot saga him. Let go. Governor Eziokwu can never bring that phone Sagaji Park. Amoromonyo Gechi the loyal to. In the sense that now you are sitting on a time bomb. If somebody you are following, you does not know who the person is loyal to, because you need the person major. You will get correct here or block wag. Mana ije bulu mmanya bulu kujikulo onyo the loyal to. The person can be able to talk to that person. Gwakuya his or her own counsel. Gwakuya ko you see where no, and you yourself, you will be as if no one hear me. And deep down yourself, something happened to that person. And the person will never see your negative comment online. The person will never see your negative comment in the saga, in the commotion nagan. You become a wise son, a wise daughter, following attentively and listening. So why do you all every time I can go now? Do go recover, give some signs of that injection. Hi, Jesus. But we thank God for life now, because no one do. But first, good health is underrated. Good health is underrated. So that brings me back to Nanokwa does not mean Amada Alolu. Online. The downfall, the things that brought down the Iri to Dele. Such this video nature. Kabana subscribe, but also share this video, because now our kelam. For most of the comments, I saw the reply. Some of the admin Mandena some people wanna rap. Mandong Waliasan if undo to and do to like yap all ham. Do to and do to most of them has been paying attention to some of the comments, and because Mago 2 or 3 people has been taking sides and watching what I've been doing over the few years. So and then this video in the nature, Kabana will subscribe and also share our video. Gordon.
Tell your brother, I'm not supposed to say this, but tell your brother I said I wrote the drone program of the Nigerian military. Ask anybody. I can even show you evidence. Tell him to tell his bosses and tell those at the villa that the person that said it is Dan Istanbul. Dan Istanbul, mention that name. It's not for anyhow idiot. I swear. For the nature, you and your family, you go too pay. You go too easy. You see, to deal with honor, it go too easy. They leave Nnamdi Kanu, me, I go buy am. By now, make I die. Now, federal government, they think to me, I for by now. If I no plan now, make all my children die before my eyes. See, I swear on the earth I'm out of phone. I forgot Nnamdi by now. I forgot teams already. And now the same teams go deal with all these fools. You see, Emmanuel, I swear that because government never ready for